Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about how to pass a full name into first name and last name. So to do this activity, I have created already a object type. So with the name with three columns, okay, like for full name, first name and last name. Full name will give before parsing what is the information, and after parsing first name and last name how you are going to get it. And based on that object type what we created a nested table type. Okay, so these two object types and table type you create. Once it is created, step 1 and step 2, then the third thing what you are going to do is we are going to create a function, pipeline function, which is going to hold the cursor, static cursor. The static cursor's results will be uh, open in memory area. From that will be fetched record by record, and when it is ending with a no records found, then then followed by if there is a record found, we are going to pass it with the first name and last name. For parsing, what I'm using is regular expression replace and substring of plus the instr function to find the position. So and if there is any special values at the end, I am replacing. In this case, like I'm having tet or msg, two things, okay, and I'm replacing with the space at the end. And similarly the last name is going to be simple first character to and the comma separator between the first name and the last name. So that's how it's going to be. And once it is got, we are going to pipe out the rows in the object type, the last name, sorry, the full name, the first name and last name. Okay, once it's completely done with the looping, we are going to close the cursor and return entire results. Okay, so this is what it is in a high level. So then finally we are going to test it, how it's going to look like. Okay, like for an example, select star from table fn pass. Yeah, so if you run this one, you'll get to know. So this is the actual full name information, and if you see that, so it is passed with the def, the second after comma, this is the first name, we have passed it already, so as I explained before, and the last name abc. Okay, and similarly the second row, if you see jul and lav and arc from the first name and the last name vu, whatever the additional information like at the end, like within the bracket tet mst have been already successfully removed. Okay, hope this video is really helpful for you. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.